Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Crypto.com. First, you'll need to set up your Crypto.com account. This involves creating a profile and completing the identity verification process, which is essential for security and compliance. Make sure to link a payment method, such as a bank account or a debit card, so you're ready to fund your account. This initial setup is quick and straightforward. Once your account is ready, the next step is to fund it. You can easily deposit money using a bank transfer or by linking a debit or credit card. Be sure to check for any minimum deposit amounts or associated fees before initiating the transfer. Typically, funds will appear in your Crypto.com account within 1 to 3 business days, allowing you to proceed with your purchase. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Open the Crypto.com app and navigate to the Buy section. From there, select Bitcoin from the extensive list of available cryptocurrencies. You can then enter the specific amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase, either by a fiat currency value or a specific quantity of Bitcoin. It's a very intuitive process. Before finalizing your purchase, always take a moment to review all the order details carefully. This ensures accuracy and helps prevent any errors. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction, and you'll receive instant confirmation of your Bitcoin purchase. For added security, we highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication on your account to protect your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.